I have one more point, sir.
Hmm.
It is it's a matter of compliments to Dr. Bandhuji. Actually, Dr. Bandhu is creating scientists. The people sitting at home, they can learn a lot of science because of the efforts being put by him and his company Springwell. Hundreds of people are learning by his efforts by sitting at home and picking up the most complex issues of especially pharmaceutical chemistry and pharmaceutical research. Such a marvelous work he's doing.
See that
Then, on behalf of
contacting
everyone, I'd like to compliment him.
diverse expertise from different places, arranging it. This is also very good contribution to the education in this sector. And I also realize that one, there are a lot of our colleagues who are working in different colleges. They do not have access to the very good library, very good infrastructure, but that knowledge they are getting, it will help them to teach properly, maybe to set up their laboratory, and that also to do in such a time in which people can have a relax at home and can share the knowledge. So this is a very good contribution to the society in terms of education, I would say that.
True. Yes.
Thank you so much, sir.
Incidentally, he was my student, master student at Naipan Mohali.
Oh, wow. Good.
He looked
So you can be
one-
proud to have produced
Yes,
such a
yes.